We're so excited.
Tomorrow we are going to have a show.
We're gonna rock the stage.
Rupa, you got anything to say?
What I said.
I'm so happy
To be here.
Yes, especially with you.
Yes, especially with you, Kim.
Yeah.
And
That's all. She's shy.
she's shy, she's nervous.
Uy, tekan lang eh. Nag-ipay lang. Roti ikan labing. Rice to kalalaw niya. What is this? It looks delicious, so I have to. Yes, kala jamun, my favorite. Stage kan perform na gusto niya. Vlogging. Hi! She did the front camera.
Ulit tonight namin evening snacks kan Elia. Look doon na. Chutney. And this is coffee. I love coconut chutney. South Indian dish daw like mas South Indian dish ka ngayon na to idli belle. Idli belle himasan tui ka tinga daw shi mas ito na sa coconut chutney din eh. Tui ka dito. Masala doon sa kaitu ka favorite hinito.
एक ऐसे अहम जगह
What is this paneer? What is this veg? Oh. And this is roti. Veg Szechuan. This is going to be good. I'm going to eat this. Oh, I love rasmalai also. Chicken. First costume niya. So our third dress. Yung costume between na.
But I see God within every animal. In our dharma, they say that in a cow there's 64 crore devtas. But for me, not only in a cow, but I see every animal in a devta. So,